Tonight, from the Surgeon General, that dire warning.
The next week is going to be our Pearl Harbor moment. It's going to be our 9/11 moment. It's going to be the hardest moment for many Americans in their entire lives.
Health officials telling everyone to avoid leaving the house at all costs. If you absolutely have to go out, wear a mask and keep your distance.
This is the moment to not be going to the grocery store, not going to the pharmacy, but doing everything you can to keep your family and your friends safe.
This as the national death toll tops 9,000.
This is war. This is essentially what it feels to be like a wartime physician.
From a doctor on the front lines in Michigan, one of the hot spots, health officials caution is just days away from reaching a deadly peak.
We are struggling to get it under control.
Shortages of supplies persist, including masks, ventilators. The state of Louisiana about to run out of hospital beds. There's also a huge need for doctors and nurses critical to the fight.
Every single mind and body is necessary to fight this. And we've been able to get people to jump in and actually volunteer to do this.
This as hard-hit states continue to blame the federal government.
Can you imagine if Franklin Delano Roosevelt said, I'll be right behind you, Connecticut. Good luck building those paddle ships.
Yet other states ignore guidelines and a plea from top officials.
I wish every governor would encourage the people in their states to follow these guidelines for 30 days. That's what I want.
At least 7 governors refusing statewide mandates, including Arkansas. Governor Asa Hutchinson insists the action he's taking is enough.
We have had success in Arkansas comparable to other states. Tomorrow, 600,000 Arkansans will still go to work. So it's more important in the message that do your social distancing, don't gather in groups of more than 10 people, and bring a mask with you.
This weekend, Governor Brian Kemp reopened Georgia's beaches. Local mayors calling the move reckless.
Here we are in the middle of a worldwide pandemic, and yet where we're closing schools, we're opening beaches. In my mind, that does not compute.
And yet, there's resilience, signs of a country pulling together. There's a surge in applications for the National Guard. As of Sunday, more than 21,000 supporting the COVID-19 response.
What's beautiful about this in a strange way is that I've never seen people come together the way I'm seeing it now.
And there's some good news tonight. The state of Washington announcing it's seen fewer infections than anticipated. It'll be returning 400 ventilators to the national stockpile.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.